Hello everyone and welcome back to Aesthetic Homes. Welcome back to another video on bathroom remodel design ideas 2024. As we step into 2024, the real time of bathroom remodels have undergone a fascinating evolution with homeowners increasingly seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeals in their private structures. The overarching trend in bathroom renovations revolves around a harmonious blend of smart technology, modern technology, sustainable practicals, and timeless design elements. Smart fixtures and gadgets have become intricately components of contemporary bathroom overhauls. With sensor activated faucets, intelligent toilet systems, and programmable LED lighting taking center stage. Homeowners now have the ability to personalize their bathroom experience through smart home integrations, allow for convenient control of temperature, lighting, and music, creating a spa-like ambiance with their convenience of their own home.
Stranded in the open.
Sustainability has become a cornerstone of bathroom remodels in 2024, as eco-conscious materials and water-saving technology gaining popularity. Energy-efficient lighting, low-flow toilets, and water-saving shower heads are becoming standard features in revamped bathroom, reflecting a broader social and commitment of environmental responsibilities. In terms of design aesthetics, the prevailing trend plans to address the seamlessly fusions of natural elements and contemporary designs. Earthy tones, organic textures, and incorporations of biophilic designs principles contributes to creating a tranquil and rejuvenating atmosphere. Freestanding tubs, open concept showers, and floating vanities continues to be flawed choices reflecting a preference for clean lines and a sense of suspiciousness. Ultimately, the bathroom in 2024 is not just a functional space, it is a curated haven that seamlessly integrated technology, sustainability, and design to enhance the overall well being for its users. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope so you found our video inspiring and informative. At the end, give a like to our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Aesthetic Homes for more. Thank you.